Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 Telegram channels in which I use that are very helpful to me, in which when you start using it, you will also benefit from it as well. Now, one of the first Telegram bots in which I will recommend for you guys is this Telegram bot that will allow you to download videos on your Twitter. Yeah, it will help you to download videos on your Twitter. All you just need to do is to go to your Telegram. Once you click on your Telegram, you go to your search button, and you go to your search button, you type on Twitter Media Downloader. And once you type on the Twitter Media Downloader, it will open. All you just need to do is to go to your Twitter, copy the link of any video in which you see there, and then paste it here, and then you download. What do I mean? I mean you go to Twitter, you go to the video aspect in which you want to copy the link of the video, then you go back to your Telegram and then come to this search button and then paste the link of that particular video, and then you send it, and all you just see is this prompt telling you that you click on the quality of the video in which you want to download. And once you be able to do this, it will download automatically to your phone. All you just need to do is to save it to your gallery, and it will be automatically on your phone. Now this will allow you to download music of all kinds, or whatever music in which you have in mind. Now imagine you are finding it difficult to download a particular music on Boomplay and it's only used for a premium subscriber. All you just need to do is to head down to this Telegram bot I'll be sharing with you. Now you go over to your Telegram, go to the search bar, click on Foxtune, F-O-X and Foxtune. And once you click on Foxtune, all you just need to do is to go to the message aspect, put in the name of the artist and the name of the song, and voila, it will be downloaded. So let me just put in one of them. Let me just put Johnny Drill, and I click on believe, and let's see the result. It will tell us, and it say please wait. As you can see here right now on my screen, you see that it's able to bring in the music in which I'm looking for. So all I have to do right now is to tap on this download, and once I tap on it, it will automatically be saved on my file manager. All I have to do is just to click on save. If you click on this aspect, you'll see save music to your file manager, and to go directly into your file, and it is already saved automatically. So if you're having that issue where you'll be asked for you to be able to pay for a subscription for you to be able to download this music, worry no more. All you just need to do is to come to this Telegram bot, type whether secular music, whatever music in which you have in mind, it will be able to work for you in this particular aspect. The last Telegram bot I'm going to be sharing with you will help you to remove the background of your picture. What do I mean? All you just need to do is to go to your search button again, type on AI background remover, and once you tap on the AI background remover on your search bar, it will appear like this. All you just need to do is to go to your file and then pick one of the pictures on your phone, and then pick this, and then I'll click on it, and then I'll post it, and automatically it will be loading up. And now as you can see here, I'm able to remove the background of this picture, and all I have to do is just to hold it and then save it to my gallery. As you can see, now many of you might be wondering, is this video saved in PNG? Yes, it's saved in PNG, so you can be able to use it in whatever thing you want. So if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on the notification so you don't miss any of my subsequent videos with tips like this. As I see you on the next one, stay safe. Peace.